Hello, this is JBC New Delhi. Here are some of weekly news highlight from India. S&P upgraded India's credit rating to BBB, the first in nearly 20 years. Credila, Muthoot Finance, and Hero FinCorp plan to raise $2+ billion overseas. Muthoot Finance secured $600 million via a 4.5-year bond at a 6.375% yield. Credila plans to raise up to $600 million in foreign loans post-IPO. The rating upgrade is expected to lower borrowing costs for Indian firms by up to 20 basis points. The move reflects increasing optimism surrounding India's economic prospects and creditworthiness. The upgrade has made borrowing more attractive and cost-effective for Indian corporations. This trend highlights the growing confidence in India's fiscal consolidation and resilient growth. Market anticipates potential Fed rate cuts may further influence fundraising strategies. The surge in offshore fundraising highlights a shift to global markets due to domestic banking limits. India's economy faces headwinds from U.S. tariffs despite domestic support. The U.S. imposed a 50% tariff on most Indian goods from August 27, 2025. Economists predict the tariff could reduce India's GDP growth by 30–80 basis points this fiscal year. India's low export dependency on the U.S. may reduce the impact of the tariffs. Resilient domestic demand in India can help offset external shocks. The RBI's August report highlights U.S. trade policy risks to India's economy, despite strong domestic conditions. The RBI expects rising rural wages and fiscal measures to boost domestic demand in H2. Foreign portfolio investors withdrew from Indian equities in July and August, reversing previous inflows. Domestic institutional investors, especially mutual funds, helped offset foreign outflows. India's industrial activity was subdued, with mixed sector performance in July. Headline inflation, which dropped for the ninth month in July, is expected to remain below 4% in Q2. The U.S. imposed a 50% tariff on most Indian goods from August 27, 2025. India officials state a trade deal is possible if the U.S. addresses these tariffs. The tariff issue is straining trade relations between India and the U.S. Resolving tariffs is crucial for a comprehensive trade agreement. Resolving the tariff dispute could enhance economic ties, with ongoing diplomatic efforts to find a solution. India is seeking alternative markets to offset the impact of U.S. tariffs. The U.S. is reviewing its trade policies, including tariffs on India. Agriculture and manufacturing sectors in India are heavily impacted by the tariffs. The resolution of tariffs is key for the future of India-U.S. trade relations. Thank you for watching JBC Weekly News. Join us again for more news and analysis. Have a good day.